What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside of Goodwill. Let's head inside, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. I'm excited. I don't want to get my hopes up, but I think we're gonna find some cool stuff today. Let's go. All right, checking out the electronics here. We have a little hidden Radica blackjack game. These used to go for really good money. I tried to look it up on Amazon and take a look right here. You could see the Amazon listing has no reviews, no rank. Selling for about 13 bucks, which isn't bad, but I don't think it actually sells there. So I'm gonna double check eBay and see if it's selling over there. And this is only not priced, so hopefully I can get it for $1 or $2. So I looked up sold listings and nothing. None sold, so I'm just gonna leave it behind. These used to be good money. I know not this specific one. A lot of times the slot machines do really good and the Texas Hold'em poker do really good. So we'll leave that and we will keep looking. So we have obviously a bunch of toys. It's mostly stuffed animals, it looks like, lots of plush, but maybe we'll dig something cool out. What do we have here? The Shelburne Museum? No, it's that Mind the Gap. I don't know what these are. A Connecticut bear, coin bear. Hey, it's brand new. And look at that. It has a Connecticut quarter. So it has some money with it. How much is he? $1, so it's technically 75 cents. Let's scan it in, see if it's worth anything. So there's only one sold for a very similar one. And you can see it right here, and it's sold for $5.99 plus shipping. And not really worth it. It does have a quarter though, but we're gonna leave that behind. What else do we have here? Lots of these bears. Nothing great there. Let's keep looking. Now looking down from the bears, we have this. It kind of looks like a Pokemon. I could be completely wrong. There is no Pokemon branding on it anywhere, so it might not be one. It's kind of cool looking though, but we're gonna leave that. All right, this is kind of cool. It's a Vivitar instant slide printer. I powered it on, powers right on. You put a photo slide right here and you could adjust the exposure. I'm not really sure how it works. And then when you hit print, it should print right up here. So there's no paper in it, but I do notice there's a lot of kind of, I don't know if that's rust or goo. I don't know what's all in there. So I have no idea if it fully works. It's $8 and it does sell. Yeah, I'll pop up a price up here so you guys can see. It does sell, but I think at $8, it's just not gonna be worth it to know if it fully works or not, so I'll leave it. All right, this is looking promising. These are all brand new, put out. They should all be $1 each, which they are. So I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna scan through all of the new put out CDs. So anything with this sticker on it, and this looks kind of cool too, the Alligator Records collection. So you guys will see if I find anything. We'll have a stack right here, hopefully. So I've already scanned all of that. You can see them right here. And this is our winner stack so far. It's looking pretty good. We're gonna keep going. So I'm still scanning and they brought out a whole new bin filled with CDs. All of this just got restocked. I grabbed one thing off the top. We got a couple good DVDs here. I always love the box sets, and I always love to find anything with that little half C right there. It's Criterion Collection. I know it's not really focusing super well, but it's Criterion Collection, and this stuff sells pretty decently. So we also got a few more CDs down here, so I'm just gonna keep going because I'm finding lots of stuff. All right, so I filled the front of the cart with a bunch of CDs, a couple DVDs, but mostly CDs. I'm still going to check the condition of all the discs, make sure they're at least in there and not cracked up. I could clean them with the disc cleaner, so I'm not super worried about that. We're going to check the VHS wall real quick, see if anything stands out. I see some Scooby-Doo down there. This is actually an interesting one. Never seen the Scooby-Doo and Arabian Nights, an old Cartoon Network one. Wow, I've never seen this. Might be worth a little something. We'll look it up in a second. What's this guy? Ricky Tikki Tari, never heard of him. Not really seeing too much else. What's this? Zulu Dawn? Nah, that's nothing. Sometimes some good old horror movies go for money, but haven't found anything like that in a long while. What do we have here? Oh, I thought this was sealed. It's not. It's Jade. Never heard of Jade before. This looks like it could be something because it looks so obscure. So we'll stick those two together for now. Towering Inferno. Whoa, probably nothing. All right, so what's this? Oh my gosh, that creeped me out. I saw the Cops Too Hot for TV. I was like, oh, that's interesting. And I saw these next to it. They almost look the same, multiplication addition, but it's little sock puppet things. This is probably scarier than that. So we're gonna see if anything here has some value. All right, here's one of the more interesting things I've ever seen at a thrift store. We have a Dallas Cowboys bowling ball holder for 20 bucks. It holds 3 bowling balls. I was hoping the bowling balls would have the Cowboys logo on them or something like that to make them valuable, but they're just Cowboys colors, which they're kind of cool, but I don't think it's gonna be anything that we pick up. I doubt this is gonna be worth it for $20. It's a little high. It's just super unique. Nothing that you see every day. Here's a cool tip for you guys. These Rock Band drum sets are usually a pain to ship, but I love when I see them with these little rubber mats on there. See, they kind of peel off, and they're sound dampeners. I've sold these for anywhere between $50 and $100, whether it be on eBay or Amazon. And I would get this because it's $12 for the whole set, and I would just take these pads off and sell those. But they're in a little rough shape. This one's not too bad, that one's not too bad, but look at the blue one. It's kind of peeling all around. Now, that's not terrible, but I'll show you guys some prices on eBay right now. So they've actually come down in price a little bit. They sell pretty regularly for about $35 right now. Brand new, they're going for $105. I've sold them brand new before, and I've sold them used before. But it definitely seems like brand new they go for quite a bit more. Mine are in pretty rough shape, so you know, I'd probably only get 30 bucks for them. Spend 12 to make 30, and that's 30 with free shipping, so it's not really worth it. But definitely something to keep an eye out for, these drum pad silencers. So this is kind of cool. I've actually been wanting one of these for myself because I have a bow and arrow. I actually have a couple bow and arrows, and I've been looking for something to shoot at for target practice. I've been using a fence in my backyard, and sometimes they go all the way through the fence, so that's not good. This is pretty sweet. It's only 10 bucks. It's in kind of rough shape. This bottom is starting to come out a bit, but it's not terrible for $10. I'm on the fence about getting this for myself. I'm gonna leave it here right now because it's heavy as can be. But I found this cool thing. I don't know what it is. It's $25. It's got a little handle and seat swivels, and I have no idea what this is. If anybody knows, let me know because I'm completely confused here. So I got a little distracted by the bags here. I saw this Bridgeport Sound Tigers, which I believe is our hockey team in Connecticut here. And then I saw this cool vintage, either 80s or 90s Yamaha bag. It's just really cool looking. And then I looked up and I saw this hidden back in here. This Pokemon little bag. It's pretty frayed and there's some stains on it, but I think those will wipe right up. I believe these hold Game Boys. Let's see if it's, yep, I'm right. So there it goes. You slide the Game Boy right in there. You put your games right there. It's pretty cool. Oh, it's pretty cool for $2. I don't think they sell for a super lot of money. You know, I'm gonna look it up right now. So I'm seeing very similar ones in pretty good condition going for around $20 to $30, right around that range. Here's my exact one, sold for $15, but it has the whole, you know, string for your neck. Same thing right there with the string for your neck for $30. At $2, it's not bad. I think I would just cut off this fraying right here and somebody could tie, you know, a string to that, but it's in kind of rough shape. What do you guys think? I'll stick it in the cart since it's only $2, but I very well might put it back, which is kind of a shame. This Yamaha bag's really cool, but definitely don't need it. And then I saw one more cool bag. Where is it? Right here. It's Sailor Moon for $3. It's a little Sailor Moon drawstring backpack. I don't think there's any value in it, but it's just really cool. So that could hang out right up there. And I will really debate on that Pokemon bag. What's this? Nothing. All right, let's keep looking. This has got to be the scariest ceramic bear in the world. Look at this thing. Why does he look like that? Oh, it's a bank. It's a piggy bank. $2. 1983. To Baby. Love, Nanette. I wouldn't want that in my bedroom at all. right. So I just checked every single one of the discs in here. They're all good, every single one. So that's pretty awesome. Maybe one or two need to be resurfaced a little bit, but they're pretty good. So I'm gonna take one more lap to see if I missed anything and see if we could pick anything cool out. I kept seeing this Sony record player. It's $20, and it seems like this is broken, the needle. So I'm not gonna mess with it. I'm leaving it. And yeah, we're just gonna take another lap and maybe we'll find one or two more things.